Greetings, I'm Madhura Gaikwad from MGV's College of Pharmacy. Imagine this scenario: successful women in each and every field, all healthy and happy, with no foolish restraints tied at their feet, and them emerging as much stronger physical, mental, emotional, and economical personalities day by day. The world would seem such a happy place to live in, right? Our world is made up of amazing women, and incredible changes are being made by women who recognize their importance and worth. But according to NCBI, 13% of women experience a common mental health disorder such as anxiety or depression. Even the stats regarding physical health show a different image. WHO says that the percent of women who meet the federal physical activity guidelines was merely 49.3%. So when we say Nurse Tri Ratna Samaratna, do we really mean it? Michelle Obama has quoted that there is no limit to what we as women can achieve. But with rising physical and mental health issues among women, the cause of women empowerment seems strenuous. Being mentally and physically capable is what makes women more powerful and more adaptable to any environment. A good physical health plays a role in fostering a mental health as well. Any physical activity is better than no physical activity. The National Health Survey states that 13% of women over the age of 18 are in fair or poor physical state in India. So, how to become physically more capable? Balanced exercises are important for women. Well, according to a new research, women are officially just as physically resilient as men. So, if you think, why should I exercise? Am I not already in great shape? Well, good. But yes, you still need to exercise and stay physically fit. So, as you get ready for a new day with grit, remind yourself that yes, you are very strong and rejuvenate your body with a newly consolidated energy. Getting a regular physical activity is one of the best things that you can do for your health. It helps to lower blood pressure, cholesterol, reduces risk of dying early, improves sleep, anxiety, depression, and also reduces risk of diseases like breast cancer or diabetes. Exercising also improves the cardiorespiratory endurance, muscle strength, body composition, and flexibility. Practice any exercise that you like. We all also know that a healthy body ensures a healthy mind. Our mental health affects how we think, feel, and act as we cope with life. Studies show that women are more prone to depression, anxiety, and stress. So, here are simple things to keep in mind as we move towards being more mentally capable. First and foremost, be confident. It is the great best sign of self love and helps us to stay away from comparing. Don't compare yourself with other people. Don't overthink and try not to avoid new challenges. In fact, make it into an opportunity to grow a little stronger every day. Don't let stereotypes break your spirit and don't fear to break the rules because your self worth should not be determined by someone else's opinion. Set your own standards. If someone tells you you're being too ambitious, prove them wrong and let success do the talking. Achieving a more healthy, stable emotional state actually improves your complete well being. So, set a smile, set a strong routine, have at least one hobby, and try and switch to healthier meal options. It's high time that we prove the world that we are capable of greater things. So, let's prove everyone wrong by achieving what they thought was impossible in the history of womanhood. Concluding, I would like to quote Nora Ephron that you are the heroine of your own life, not the villain. Thank you.